everybody, today I'm taking a look at this behemoth 10 by 20 foot carport. What's cool about this carport here, it's very easy to set up. I set this up by myself. I'll show you how it was done. And you can see here you have a very large opening to be able to get your vehicles in, tractors, or any kind of supplies you might want to put in there. You also have some clips here to make sure that the door stays up, and you've got windows on the sides. So let's go ahead and get a closer look. All right, so here's a closer look at everything that comes in the package. This is going to be your awning cover. You have your little cross beams right here. These are going to be used on the roof. You also have your little T's here to be used on the sides. You get some rope, some bungees to be able to attach this to the actual frame. Your base right there. You're going to have your M, A, B, C1, and C2 bars all right here. So everything that comes in the package, very easy to unpackage. So let's go ahead and get this together. So here I'm going to go ahead and start assembling the structure. The instructions are very easy to follow, and everything has a label on it. And if you lay things out similar to how I have it here, it's going to make it very easy. The tubes are a heavy-duty 1.5 inch diameter galvanized rust-proof steel frame, and you're going to have a thickened 1.65 inch diameter connectors there. Really help protect your vehicle. One thing I would recommend is going ahead and putting everything on before you actually get the full height on there. It's going to make it a lot easier to work with. The walls are easy to install, and so is the front and rear of the carport itself. You can see here, once you start getting everything together, it looks pretty nice. All right, so let's take a closer look at the carport here. You can see you do have the little straps. You're going to be able to use these to hold everything up. It does have a very nice zipper design here, really easy to open. You are going to have the super reflective material also, and that's going to make it waterproof. You can see here as we come around on the inside, very spacious. You got a lot of room up here on the top as well. And best part is you got 4 of these windows. You got one here, you got one here, one on this side, and also one on this side. And what's nice about that, it's going to give you all the extra air that you need or light while you're working on something inside the carport itself. So you can see here, you can go around the side, and on the outsides here, each of the individual pieces down here, these little frames, have a spot to actually put anchor bolts, or you can also use it to do stakes into the grass. So there's a lot of versatility there. And then this is where you're going to hook up your wires. If you're going to have this in the grass, you'll be able to hook these through and also anchor that. But for this one here, since it's on the concrete, we're probably going to anchor it down. Again, you can see here you have all of your nice little straps. Come around on this side. One thing I really like too is that the top part flows down this way, and you can see it hides the wall and the pipe in here, so the pipe isn't going to be exposed to the elements, and also it's going to add a little bit of ventilation right here. The straps are also on the outside here, and what's cool about the windows is when you pull this out, they are Velcro, and they do have the nice mesh here, so that's going to help prevent any kind of bugs from getting in. And you come around back here onto this side, you can see how wide open everything is. Pretty sweet design. And again, you can see here how much room there is. We've got a subcompact tractor right here.